Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. I got my September PNG inserts in today and I thought I would give you a little preview of what's inside of them. And if you want to find out where I got them and how you can get some, just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to tell you where I got the inserts from, but you're going to have to wait until we get done going through the insert first, and then I will tell you, so stick around to the end. Let's open this up. First thing here, we have a $25 Oral-B toothbrush rebate form. Then here's just an advertisement. And then here's our first Bogo coupon. We have buy one Febreze product and get one Febreze product free up to $3. It excludes the Air Effects, Febreze Light, Febreze plug refills, and travel and trial. The fall scents are out, which I am super excited about that. I do love me some pumpkin spice scents. I don't know what it is. I think I like having air fresheners that smell like food, because then it makes people think I'm in there like baking up a storm when really that ain't even happening. So yeah, there's that. I kind of hate that this coupon is only up to a $3 value because it excludes the Air Effects, and the fabric sprays are normally like $3.55 or more, but it is what it is. Okay, so our next one, this I think is a new product because I have not seen this. So this is a buy one Febreze Light product, get one free up to a $3 value. This one looks like you can include the Air Effects, so that's good because we know those are $3 at Dollar General. So apparently it's no heavy perfumes. Okay, moving right along. Now we got these super low value paper product coupons. We have 25 cents off one Bounty paper towel, 25 cents off one Charmin toilet paper, 4 count or larger, 25 cents off one Bounty napkin product, 25 cents off one Puffs facial tissue, includes multi-packs, excludes Puff to go singles. And now some Tide coupons. Not all regions get Tide coupons, but if you buy from the lady I get them from, then you can get Tide coupons. First, we have $3 off one Tide Pod laundry detergent, 32 count or larger. Then it says includes Tide Pod 26 count. Okay. Then we have $2 off one Tide Pod laundry detergent, 31 count or smaller. Excludes Tide Pod's 26 count. Procter & Gamble's like, let's see if we can confuse the crap out of some people here. Okay, next we have $3 off one Tide laundry detergent, 92 ounce or larger, or Tide heavy duty. Then we have $2 off one Tide laundry detergent, 75 ounce or smaller, or Studio by Tide laundry detergent, 40 ounce. And then we have $2 off one Dreft newborn laundry detergent, 40 to 50 ounce. Over here we have $3 off one Dreft newborn laundry detergent, $1 off Downy liquid fabric conditioner, 60 load, infusion liquid, 48 load, or Downy odor protection, 32 ounce. Then we have $2 off one Downy liquid, 90 to 174 loads. Here's a new product, I think. I've not seen it anyways. $3 off one Downy Defy Damage beads, or in-wash scent boosters. Downy Defy Damage. Stretch, fade, fuzz protection. Protects fabrics from stretch, fade, and fuzz in every wash. So if anybody's already tried this, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it, because I think I may have to try it myself. I love trying out the new products that come out. I'm just weird like that. Okay, what else do we got? We got Mr. Clean. $1 off 2 Mr. Clean products, excludes Mr. Clean Clean Freak and Trial and Travel size. Next, we have 50 cents off any Mr. Clean toilet bowl, brush, and caddy, excluding liquids. Then we have the $1 off 2 Gain dishwashing liquid products. Down here we have $1 off 1 Dawn Ultra dishwashing liquid, 34 ounce, or the Power Wash. If you have not tried the Dawn Power Wash yet, you need to put it in one of your 5 off 25 scenarios and try it. There's also a green apple scent. This stuff is amazing. It takes anything off of pots and pans. It's crazy. So there's your coupon. Try the Power Wash if you haven't tried it yet. Okay, now on to our feminine products. We have $1 off one Always Radiant Infinity Pure Cotton Ultra or Maxi 10 count or higher. Then we have $1 off 1 Always panty liners, 26 count or higher. $1 off 1 Tampax Pearl, Pocket Pearl, Radiant, Pocket Radiant, or Pure tampon. Then up here we have $1 off 1 Metamucil Fiber Supplement. We have $2 off 1 Align Probiotic Supplement product, excludes travel and trial. Then we have $2 off 1 Prilosec OTC product. Fun fact, I have a prescription for omeprazole, which is, I think, Zantac. I was put on a Prilosec to begin with, and that does not work, so they put me on omeprazole. And you're thinking, okay, Erica, we don't need your whole medical history here. Okay, we got another BOGO coupon here. Buy 1 Vicks Dayquil or NyQuil Honey product. Get 1 Vicks Vape Cool Drops free, up to a $3 value. You can use 2 identical coupons per household per day. Here's $3 off 2 Vicks Dayquil, NyQuil, Formula 44, or Sinex products. Here is $1 off 1 Vapor Rub, Baby Rub, Vapo Cream, or Vapo Inhaler. $1.50 off 1 Vicks Immune Z's product. $2 off 1 Vicks Children's Liquid product. $2 off 1 Stress Balls product. That sounds like the product for me, to be honest. No, just kidding. It's a limit 2 on this. Stress less, sleep more. Okay, might actually be my product. Then we have 50 cents off 1 ZzzQuil or Pure Z product. Over here we have $1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, 3 ounce or more. Excludes cavity, baking soda, all the normals. $1 off 1 Crest or Oral-B mouthwash. $1 off 1 Oral-B adult manual toothbrush, 1 count or multi-pack 2 count or higher. $2.50 off 1 Fixodent adhesive twin or triple pack, 1.4 ounce or larger. Then we have $2 off Always Discreet. These are a limit of 2. $2 off 1 Gillette razor, excludes disposable Venus products or travel and trial, limit of 2. $2 off 1 Venus razor, excludes disposables, also a limit of 2. Back here we have $3 off 3 Pantene products, including Gold Series collection, excludes Intense Rescue, Nutrient Blends collection, non-wash collection. Then down here we have the $1 off 1 Pantene product, includes the Gold Series collection. Over here we have $2 off 1 Olay facial moisturizer. $2 off 1 Olay eyes or serums. And then $1 off 1 Olay skincare product. We have $1 off 1 Head and Shoulders product. We have $3 off 2 Head and Shoulder products. Goodness gracious, check out this dude's hair. I bet it takes him longer to get his hair ready in the morning than it does me. But it's pretty. He's got some pretty hair. Okay, now we have $2 off 1 Head and Shoulder men's styling product. That's what he uses, obviously. Then over here we have $3 off 2 Herbal Essence Bio Renew shampoo, conditioner, or styling products. This is an aloe plus hemp. And then up here we have $4 off 2 hair food shampoo, conditioner, or stylers. It says super hair needs super food. No sulfates, no parabens, no dyes, no compromises. I don't know if this is new or not, but I have not tried it, so I'm definitely going to be trying some of this. Again, I just like trying new products. Okay, over here we have $3 off 2 waterless products. I'm not really a dry shampoo kind of person, so this probably isn't for me. Then we have $1 off 2 Secret Outlast, Secret Fresh, or Gillette Clear Gel Antiperspirant Deodorant. $2 off 1 Secret Clinical, Secret Essential Oil, or Gillette Clinical Antiperspirant. And then another BOGO coupon, buy 1 Secret Aluminum Free Deodorant, get 1 Secret Aluminum Free Deodorant free, up to $5.99 value. There is a limit of 2 identical coupons per household per day. And now down to our last 2 pages, we have $1 off 1 Olay Bar, 4 count or larger, body wash, rinse off, body conditioner, or hand and body lotion. Here we have $1 off 2 Old Spice Antiperspirant Deodorant. It excludes the high endurance. And then we have another BOGO coupon. It's buy one Old Spice body wash, get one Old Spice dry spray free, up to $5.49 in value. This is also a limit of 2. Wonder how many people don't fully read the coupon and end up walking up with 2 body washes or 2 dry sprays. But either way, we love these BOGO coupons. Okay, now $3 off 1 box of Pampers diapers or Easy Up training underwear. Then we have 50 cents off 2 Pampers wipes, 56 count or higher. There's a limit of 2 on this coupon. Then $3 off 1 box or 2 bags of Love's diapers. Also a limit of 2. And that's all the coupons. Here's the back cover. If you're not a PG Good Everyday Rewards member yet, you should sign up for that, especially if you follow me and you do Dollar General scenarios, possibly using a lot of game products and stuff like that. You should definitely sign up, scan your receipts, earn those rewards. Also, if your P&G inserts don't come with Tide coupons, you can go there, print off Tide coupons. But remember, if you print them off there, they're good for 1 day. So do not hit print until you are ready to go shopping. Now, if you want to get inserts from the place I get inserts, here's her Instagram. You can go there. She'll post them on there. Like I said, I ordered mine on the 15th. I got them on the 17th. I ordered them after 6 p.m. They came from California. She sends them 2-day priority. So go check her out on Instagram. I don't get anything from it. I'm just sharing with you where I get mine from. I have had the absolute worst luck getting my weekly inserts besides the P&G early. So if you know someone who sells whole inserts and they get them out early, because I like to have them before Sunday, then let me know in the comments below, because I have not found a reliable insert fairy for the Smart Source and the Retail Me Not. I thought I found one. They said they were shipping early on Monday. So I ordered from them a couple weeks ago, waited all the way till Saturday, got an email on Saturday saying they had refunded me because for some reason it didn't ship. Then I also saw another couponer had the same situation happen the very next week. So let me know if you know of a whole insert fairy who can get inserts to me by Saturday before they come out in the paper. I would really appreciate it if you could do that. Okay, I've kept you guys long enough. I'm going to go ahead and head off here. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch my videos. I hope you enjoyed this insert preview. If you haven't ordered your P&G insert yet, you should probably go ahead and do that. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the little bell, turn your notifications off so you get a notification anytime I post a video. If you haven't given this video a big thumbs up already, I would really appreciate it if you did. I want to thank you all again for stopping by. Don't forget to check out my Dollar General video that will be coming out Friday. I would post it on Thursday, but it seems like when I post it on Thursday, nobody watches it. When I post it on Friday, it seems to do way better. Let me know in the comments down below which day would you rather see it, Thursday or Friday. I don't know if people aren't planning ahead come Thursday, but then Friday they start thinking about the Dollar General 5 off 25. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And until next time, bye.